right. Why did you decide to get into the trades?
Well, I guess I was always that kid that was always taking things apart, growing up, just taking stuff apart. And I actually was taking them apart and then finally starting to fix things. So that sense of accomplishment, I guess, is what got me started in it.
So when I originally moved down here with my dad, basically the only experience that I had was in retail, fast food, nothing really of any experience. So whenever we moved here, his first words that he told me were, get a job in the trades. That's gonna be your best bet. You'll get the most experience there and you can actually get a good career out of the trades. So I decided to join.
Well, I got into trade due to the science, and also, it's a good trade. I like hands-on and use my hands. It's a tough job, but I like to do it, so to say.
Because I needed something that would keep me busy, where I can work with my hands, and I like to help people.
I like the science behind the AC. I like to fix things with my hand, and I like to have my hands on whenever I'm fixing the AC. I like it, I love it.
I definitely saw that there was a change in the job market, where a lot of industries are becoming obsolete thanks to, artificial intelligence and technology. There's a lot of consistency that comes along with the trades work. We'll be the last to disappear off of that platform due to technology. High demand for trades, definitely.